Good morning, class 5. Welcome to the offline class, and we were discussing composite maths in the offline class, isn't it? We were in chapter number 12, measures of length. So let us continue with this chapter. This measures of length, it is related to tens and hundreds of your math magic book. Okay, so in math magic book we will do tens and hundreds, and in composite we will do measures of length. Measures of length, I think I have told you the chart. That means meter will be the base unit, and this base unit, related to the base unit, we have some higher units and we have some lower units. Now the higher units are decameter, hectometer, and then kilometer, whereas the smaller units are decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. That means from kilometer it is starting and it is ending in the millimeter. So kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. I think I have told you how to memorize this thing. How you will memorize? King Henry died, Miss Mary did not cry much. Okay, this is the way how to memorize this units from higher to lower units. Clear? We have already started exercise 53, isn't it? We have already started exercise 53. I think question 1 and question 2 we have completed. Today we will start from question number 3. Again it is the conversion. What conversion? Convert 9 meter into centimeter. Now the first one is given, you have to convert from meter to centimeter. Okay, so I'm writing on the board, you just solve it. Question number 3, the first one is given, 9 meter into centimeter. So what is the first thing we are writing? We are writing that since 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, we have to convert in centimeter. That's why we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore 9 meter is equals to 9 into 100 centimeter. That means answer will be 900 centimeter. Okay, so this way we will do the rest of the questions also. Come to number B. Number B is given 7.6 meter into centimeter. 7.6 meter into centimeter. The same thing we have to do, isn't it? So we will write, since we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, therefore 7.6, sorry, this is given meter, I have written centimeter. So 7.6 meter is equals to 7.6 into 100 centimeter. So this will be 7, 6, then 0 and 0. Since after 1 the decimal point is there after 1 digit, so you will also give after 1 digit 1 decimal point. That means 760.0. Now after the point the 0 is there, so it has no value. It has no value, isn't it? So what you will write? It is 760 centimeter as the answer. 760 centimeter as the answer. Clear? Now let us do number D. Let us do number D. Number C also the same process, that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So you will write that since 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, so 2.36 meter is equals to 2.36 into 100. After the 2 digit the decimal is there, so after the 2 zeros you will put the decimal, so it will be 236 centimeter. Okay, let us do number D. Number D is given 8 decameter into centimeter. Now you have to convert decameter into centimeter. Okay, now as we know in the chart or in the units, we know decameter is the higher unit and centimeter is the lower unit. So 1 decameter is equals to 1000 centimeter. Okay, 1 decameter is equals to 1000 centimeter. This we know from the chart, that the chart which is given in the book, from the lower to higher units or higher to lower units, the chart. So we will write, since 1 decameter is equals to 1000 centimeter. This is the lower unit. Okay. Therefore, 8 decameter is equals to 8 into 1000 centimeter. That means 8000 centimeter is the answer. Okay, 8000 centimeter is the answer. So this way you will convert. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. Again the conversion. Again the conversion. So let us start. The first one. I think I have to rub the board. Yes, this is question number 4. Number A. Convert 6 kilometer into hectometer. Into hectometer. See, you have to convert from kilometer to hectometer, just 1 unit less, isn't it? Kilometer, then comes hectometer. That means 1 kilometer is equals to 10 hectometer. So you will write here, since 1 kilometer is equals to 10 hectometer, therefore 6 kilometer is equals to 6 into 10 hectometer. That means 60 hectometer is the answer. Okay. Now come to number B. Number B is given 5.3 kilometer into decameter. 5.3 kilometer into decameter. That means you have to convert to decameter. So kilometer, then hectometer, and then decameter. That means 1 kilometer is equals to 100 decameter. Okay. So you will write here that since 1 kilometer is equals to 100 decameter, therefore 5.3 kilometer is equals to 5.3 into 100 decameter. That means 5, 3 and 2 zeros. Since after one digit there is the dot, so after 1 0 I will give 1 dot. That means 530 decameter is the answer. Rather, 530 decameter is the answer. Clear? See, for this you have to memorize the table. That means kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter. Like this you have to memorize the memorize from higher to lower units. Then only you will be able to do it fast. Okay. Now come to number C. 4.63 kilometer into decameter. Number C. It is given 4.63 kilometer into decameter. Again from kilometer to decameter, just we have done in question number B, that since 1 kilometer is equals to 100 decameter, therefore 4.63 kilometer is equals to 4.63 into 100 decameter, which is equals to 463 and 2 zeros. After the 2 there is the point, so after the 2 digit there will be the point. That means this will come only 463 decameter as the answer. Okay, since after the point we don't after the point if zeros is there, it has no value, so we can skip that zeros. Clear? Now come to question number D. 2.5 decameter into decimeter. Now you have to convert from decameter to decimeter. Okay, so I am writing here number D. Sorry, 2.5 decameter into decimeter. Now this is coming from deca to deci. This is coming from deca to deci. What we will write? Just memorize. Kilometer, then hectometer, decameter. You have to convert decameter. Then meter, decimeter, centimeter. Okay, So decameter, meter, decimeter, that means 100, 3 units, so it will be 100. So 1 decameter is equals to 100 decimeter. Okay, you will write, since 1 decameter is equals to 100 decimeter, therefore 2.5 decameter is equals to 2.5 into 100 dm, that is 2500, and after the one digit point, so after the one digit the point, that means the answer will be 250 decimeter. 250 decimeter is the answer for number D. Clear? This is we are doing for number D. Now let us come to the next question, question number 5. Question number 5. This way you will do the conversions, okay, from higher to lower units. These all are conversions from higher to lower units. That's why we are multiplying. But when we will do the vice versa, that means from lower to higher, that time we will divide. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5A. It is given 23.4 centimeter into millimeter. Into millimeter. You have to convert from centimeter to millimeter, just one unit after. So we will write, since 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter, therefore 23.5 centimeter is equals to 23.5 into 10 millimeter, which is equals to 2340. After the one dot, so here it will be dot. That means our answer is 234 millimeter. Okay, 234 millimeter. Now the next one, number B. Number B is given 4.1 meter. 4.1 meter into 4.1 meter into millimeter. Now you have to convert meter to millimeter. Okay, so what you will write? Since 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. 1000 millimeter, because meter, decimeter, centimeter, then millimeter. That's why 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. Therefore 4.1 meter is equals to 4.1 into 1000. That means 4, 1 and 3 zeros. So after the one digit the point, so after the one there is the point. This is millimeter. That means 4100 millimeter is the answer. As we know, after the point 0 has no value. Okay, so this is the conversion from meter to millimeter. Now come to the C. Number C, 5.63 meter into millimeter. Again from meter to millimeter you have to convert. Number C, it is given 5.63 meter into millimeter. The same thing we know, that 1 meter is equals to, since 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter, isn't it? 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. Therefore 5.63 meter is equals to 5.63 into 1000 millimeter. That is 563 and 3 zeros. So after the 2 digit there is the point, so after the 2 digit here is the point. So this means 5630 millimeter is the answer. Okay, 5630 millimeter is the answer. This was for question number 5. Now question number 6 we will do it in our next class. Okay, today up to this only, and whatever we have left in the class, you do it as homework in your copy, okay, and practice this conversions so that it will be easier for you to convert from higher to lower units. Clear? So that's all for today, and bye all of you, and practice whatever we have done today. Okay, goodbye.